Introduction. Welcome to this session on ethical decision-making skills. You will learn 1. What ethical decision-making is and why it matters for leaders. 2. How to use a framework and 3 principles to make ethical decisions. 3. How to avoid or resolve ethical dilemmas in your work and life. Ethical decision-making is choosing the best action based on ethical standards and values. It helps leaders to act with integrity, respect, and responsibility. It also helps them to avoid or resolve ethical dilemmas. Ethical dilemmas are situations where there is no clear right or wrong answer, or where there are conflicting values or interests. For example, 1. Should you report a colleague's misconduct? 2. Should you accept a gift from a client? 3. Should you use personal data for marketing purposes? To make ethical decisions in such situations, you can use a framework with 4 steps. 1. Identify the ethical issue and the stakeholders. 2. Gather relevant information and facts. 3. Evaluate the options using ethical principles and criteria. 4. Choose and implement the best option and monitor the outcomes. You can also follow 3 key principles: transparency, responsibility, and empathy. Body. Transparency is being open and honest about your actions and motives. It helps you to 1. Build trust and credibility with your stakeholders. 2. Avoid misunderstandings or conflicts. 3. Be accountable for your decisions and learn from your mistakes. To be transparent, you can 1. Communicate clearly and consistently about your values, goals, and expectations. 2. Share relevant information and data in a timely manner. 3. Admit when you don't know something or need help. 4. Acknowledge when you have made an error or things have gone wrong. 5. Explain the reasons behind your decisions and how they align with ethical standards. Responsibility is taking ownership of your actions and their impacts. It helps you to 1. Act with care and respect for yourself, others, and the environment. 2. Consider the long-term effects of your decisions. 3. Balance different interests and perspectives. To be responsible, you can 1. Identify your duties and obligations to yourself, others, and society. 2. Consider the potential benefits and harms of each option for all stakeholders. 3. Seek feedback and input from others who may be affected by your decisions. 4. Anticipate and prevent possible negative outcomes or risks. 5. Take corrective actions when needed and follow up on the results. Empathy is understanding and sharing the feelings and perspectives of others. It helps you to 1. Build rapport and relationships with your stakeholders. 2. Appreciate their needs and values. 3. Avoid bias or prejudice in your decisions. 4. Respect diversity and inclusion. To be empathetic, you can 1. Listen actively and attentively to what others have to say. 2. Ask open-ended questions to clarify their views and concerns. 3. Express your feelings and emotions in an appropriate way. 4. Show compassion and support for others who are in distress or facing challenges. 5. Recognize and appreciate the strengths and contributions of others. Conclusion. To sum up, ethical decision-making is a vital skill for leaders in the digital era. By using a framework and following 3 principles: transparency, responsibility, and empathy, you can make ethical decisions that are consistent with your values, respectful of others, and beneficial for society. Thank you for joining this session on ethical decision-making skills. I hope you have learned something useful that you can apply in your work and life. Please share your questions or feedback with me. Have a great day. Smile.